Grabe ka na digital marketing and digital product selling. Uy, did you know that you can earn while laying down? Ganon ka flexible si digital marketing. And you will already have slow mornings. I know the feeling of hurrying in the morning, trying to fix yourself, preparing for the work, tapos commute pa, transportation, traffic. Grabe, nakaka-stress yun. Did you know that Bill Gates says that you should choose the lazy people because they will find the easiest way to work? Kasi nga lazy yan eh. So, ayun yung pinapakomplikado yung bagay. So, ganun din ako. Tamad ako. Aminado ako. Tamad ako. Kaya nga nakahiga ngayon eh.